Welcome back. Today we're tackling a topic that affects so many of you, lower back pain. We'll focus on the best, gentlest stretches for older adults seeking relief. That persistent ache doesn't have to be permanent. Simple movements can improve mobility and ease discomfort. As we age, muscles tighten and joints stiffen, especially in the lower back. Stretching lengthens tight muscles, boosts blood flow, and keeps your spine flexible, crucial for long-term health. Before starting, always check with your doctor or physical therapist, especially if you have conditions like osteoporosis or a history of back surgery. Let's get started. First up is child's pose, also known as balasana in yoga. This is a foundational pose that's accessible for most people, making it a wonderful way to begin your stretching routine, especially if you're new to yoga or looking for a gentle way to ease into movement. Child's pose is a gentle, restorative stretch for your lower back, hips, and even your shoulders. It's designed to help you relax, release tension, and reconnect with your breath. This pose is perfect for those moments when you need to slow down and give your body a break. To get started, come onto your hands and knees on your mat or a soft surface. Bring your big toes together so they touch, and gently widen your knees apart, creating space for your torso to fold forward comfortably. As you exhale, slowly sink your hips back toward your heels. You can stretch your arms forward, palms facing down, to lengthen your spine, or let your arms rest by your sides if that feels more comfortable for you. The key is to find a position that feels supportive and soothing. Allow your forehead to rest gently on the floor, a yoga mat, or a pillow for extra comfort. This gentle pressure on your forehead can help calm your mind and encourage relaxation. Take slow, deep breaths in this position. With each inhale, feel your back and ribcage expand, and as you exhale, notice any tension melting away from your lower back, hips, and shoulders. Let your breath guide you deeper into relaxation. Hold child's pose for 30 to 60 seconds, or even longer if it feels good. Focus on comfort, not strain. This is your time to rest and recharge, so listen to your body and adjust as needed. If you experience any discomfort in your knees or hips, don't hesitate to use a cushion, rolled blanket, or pillow for extra support. Placing a prop under your hips or between your thighs and calves can make the pose much more accessible and enjoyable. Practicing child's pose regularly can help calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and promote a sense of peace and well-being. It's a wonderful way to check in with yourself, both physically and mentally, especially in a serene outdoor setting. Remember, this pose should always feel relieving, never painful. If you need to adjust your position or use more props, that's perfectly okay. The goal is to nurture your body, not to push it beyond its limits. As you hold the pose, close your eyes if you feel comfortable, and use this time to connect with your body. Notice how your back, hips, and shoulders respond, and let yourself fully experience the gentle stretch and relaxation. When you're ready, gently transition out of child's pose and prepare for the next stretch. Take a moment to notice how you feel and carry that sense of calm with you as we move on. Next up, we have the cat-cow stretch, a gentle yet powerful movement that's perfect for waking up your spine and preparing your body for the day ahead. This stretch is a favorite among yoga practitioners of all ages, but it's especially beneficial for older adults looking to maintain a healthy, flexible back. The cat-cow is a dynamic, flowing movement that helps to mobilize your entire spine, from your neck all the way down to your tailbone. It's a wonderful way to gently ease stiffness, improve circulation, and bring awareness to your posture. To begin, come onto your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Make sure your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees are lined up under your hips. Spread your fingers wide for stability and keep your neck in a neutral position, gazing softly at the mat. As you inhale, gently drop your belly toward the mat, arching your back. Lift your chest forward and up and let your tailbone point toward the sky. This is the cow pose. Feel the gentle stretch along the front of your body and the activation in your back muscles. On your exhale, press your hands into the mat, round your spine up toward the ceiling, and tuck your chin toward your chest. Draw your tailbone under, creating a gentle curve through your entire back. This is the cat pose. Notice the stretch along your spine and the release of tension in your neck and shoulders. Move slowly and mindfully, linking each breath to your movement. Inhale as you move into cow. Exhale as you transition to cat. Let your breath guide the pace and don't rush. Focus on the sensation of your spine moving and the gentle massage it provides to your back muscles. Remember, it's not about how far you can move, but about the quality of each motion. Let the movement start from your tailbone and ripple up through each vertebra, all the way to the crown of your head. This helps to mobilize every part of your spine and encourages healthy movement patterns. Repeat this sequence for 10 to 15 cycles, moving with your breath. With each repetition, you may notice your spine feeling a little looser, your back muscles more relaxed, and your posture improving. If you have sensitive wrists, you can make gentle fists with your hands instead of placing your palms flat, or try this stretch seated in a sturdy chair. The movement is the same, just focus on arching and rounding your spine as you breathe. Practicing the cat-cow stretch regularly can help improve your flexibility, support better posture, and increase your overall body awareness. It's a simple yet effective way to care for your back and keep your spine healthy as you age. This stretch is a staple in many back care routines and can easily be done every day, whether you're starting your morning or winding down in the evening. Just a few minutes can make a noticeable difference in how your back feels. Always keep your movements gentle and controlled, paying attention to how your body feels. If you experience any discomfort, ease up and make the movement smaller. After a few rounds, take a moment to notice how your back feels, more mobile, relaxed, and ready for whatever comes next. Let's move on to the next stretch. Now, lie on your back for the knee-to-chest stretch. With knees bent and feet flat, draw your right knee toward your chest, holding below the knee or behind the thigh. Keep your left leg bent for support, or straighten it to deepen the stretch. Relax your shoulders and neck, letting your lower back press gently into the floor. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Release and switch sides. Repeat 2-3 times per leg. This stretch targets tight glutes and lower back muscles, easing stiffness. Never force the movement. Stop if you feel pain. Focus on a gentle pull and steady breath. Balancing both sides helps maintain pelvic alignment. Ready for a twist? Now, let's move into the seated spinal twist. A gentle yet powerful pose that's fantastic for improving spinal mobility, easing tension in your back, and even helping digestion. This movement is especially helpful for anyone who spends a lot of time sitting, as it counteracts stiffness and encourages healthy rotation through the spine. It's a wonderful way to refresh your body and mind, and it can be done almost anywhere, whether you're at home, in the park, or even on a sturdy chair. Begin by sitting up tall on your mat, legs extended straight out in front of you. Imagine a string gently pulling the crown of your head toward the sky, lengthening your spine and creating space between each vertebra. If it's more comfortable, you can sit on a folded blanket or cushion to help keep your back straight. Next, bend your right knee and place your right foot flat on the ground, just outside your left thigh. This position helps anchor your body and sets up the twist. Keep your left leg extended and flex your left foot to stay active through the leg. Place your right hand behind you for support, fingertips pointing away or to the side. Bring your left arm across your body, hugging your right knee or pressing your elbow gently against it. This will help you deepen the twist while keeping your chest open. As you inhale, focus on lengthening your spine even more, sitting up as tall as you can. With your exhale, gently rotate your torso to the right, starting the movement from your mid-back rather than your lower back or hips. Let your gaze follow the twist, looking over your right shoulder if it feels comfortable. Keep both hips grounded evenly on the mat and allow your shoulders to relax away from your ears. Avoid forcing the twist. Think of it as a gentle spiral rather than a sharp turn. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and allowing your body to settle into the stretch. With each breath, you might find a little more space to gently deepen the twist, but only go as far as feels comfortable for you. When you're ready, slowly unwind from the twist, bringing your torso back to center. Take a moment to notice how your body feels, then repeat the same steps on the other side to balance out your spine. If sitting on the floor isn't comfortable for you, don't worry. You can do this entire movement while seated in a sturdy chair. Simply plant your feet flat on the ground, sit tall, and follow the same steps to twist gently to each side. Twists like this one are excellent for restoring healthy rotation in your spine, relieving stiffness, and even helping you feel more energized and refreshed. Many people notice improved posture and less back discomfort with regular practice. Always listen to your body and move within your own range of motion. Never force the twist or push into pain. Gentle movement is key to getting the benefits safely. Remember, each side of your body may feel a little different, and that's completely normal. Over time, you may notice your flexibility improving, but honor where you are today. Great job! You've just given your spine a gentle, revitalizing stretch. Now let's move on and activate your core with our next exercise. Pelvic tilts are subtle but powerful for core strength and back relief. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Exhale, gently flatten your lower back to the floor by tilting your pelvis up. Hold briefly, feeling your lower abs engage. Inhale, return to neutral with a small arch in your back. Repeat 10-15 times, moving slowly with your breath. Focus on using your core, not your legs or glutes. This exercise retrains your muscles to support your spine. Do it any time you feel back tension, even in bed. Over time, pelvic tilts improve stability and reduce pain episodes. Now let's stretch the hips. Let's target the piriformis, a deep hip muscle that can trigger back and leg pain. Lie on your back, knees bent. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh, forming a figure 4. Flex your right foot to protect your knee. If you feel a stretch, stay here. To deepen, thread your hands behind your left thigh and gently pull it toward your chest. Keep your head and shoulders relaxed. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Release and switch sides. This stretch relieves tension in the hips and can ease sciatic discomfort. Never force the stretch. Stop if you feel pain. Notice the difference between sides before moving on. Finally, let's stretch the hamstrings. Tightness here often worsens back pain. Stand facing a low, stable surface. Place your right heel on it, legs straight but not locked. Soften both knees, hands on hips. Keep your spine long, chest lifted, shoulders back. Hinge forward from your hips, bringing your chest toward your foot. Stop when you feel a gentle stretch in your hamstring. Don't round your back. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing steadily. If you feel pain, reduce the height or hinge less. Switch sides and repeat. Stretching both legs restores pelvic alignment and eases back strain. Let's wrap up. That's it. 7 simple stretches to help relieve lower back pain. Be gentle and consistent, working within your comfort zone. Even 10-15 minutes a day can make a big difference. Listen to your body and never push into pain. Make stretching a daily habit for long-term back health. Thanks for joining me. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more wellness tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.